Yo, dude, thank you very much for your check-in. And that, if I look over here, by the way, it's because I've got two screens, and this screen over here has all my notes in from that recording. But that format was so easy to follow and so nice to just kind of watch you go through your sheets and kind of like just go round it and look at it, because I basically was your eyes and you just sort of speaking about how your week's gone. So if you can do that format from now on every Sunday, that's so cool, so awesome. It's kind of like the same way that I do my things. I use Screen-O-Matic, but I'm not sure how you managed to do yours. It didn't really say, so what was that? But anyway, yeah, thank you very much for your check-in. Apologise, I'm late today. Just kind of like you said in your check-in life, just shit happened yesterday. So yeah. Thank you very much for being patient anyway. So crazy amounts of progress. Like these 4 weeks, dude. I think you've dropped about £10 in 4 weeks. So you start off at £193, which is 13 stone 11. You're now 182. On average, is 183.1. So you have dropped £10 in just under 4 weeks. That's what a mini cut is. That's what a mini cut. I would say a mini cut is 6 weeks, £12. You dropped £10 in 4 weeks. Crazy work, and that's like a breeze as well. Like, you've still got pretty high macros. You're not really doing any cardio. You are just sort of going about your generic day, doing steps, etc. You, my friend, I think you've got it pretty easy. In terms of, like, if you ever were to do a contest prep, I reckon you'd probably be on pretty high macros for the majority of that thing, and probably minimal cardio if you were to stick to the protocol set out. So you, my friend, have got it not easy, but you should, just while I'm rambling on, I'm just going to add this in. Bear with me 1 second. 30th of July, and then I'm just going to wipe this down. It should. Beautiful. Right, cool. So you feel better. I loved that check-in, dude. You feel better. You look leaner. Your weights are going up like crazy. Your deadlift is next week. I want you to just put 100 kg on that bar and deadlift the fuck out of it. Like, just that's what I want you to do. Put 100 kg on that bar. Sit on the bench. Get in your mindset. Listen to some music. Just even if you have to, like, kneel down near the bar. I don't know if you saw my video on my Instagram or Facebook page, but I kneeled down, focused on what I'm doing. I lived in the moment, and I just picked that shit up. And that's what I want you to do. I want you to put 100 kg on that bar and lift it. If you can record it as well, record it. But if you just want the music on, just put the music on. But don't be a pussy. I want to see 100 kg on there next week. But no, that's honestly, like, just listening to that, you seem like you're really enjoying the program. You seem like you're really enjoying the progress and the process, which is the most important thing. If you enjoy the process, you're going to get results. That's it. You're enjoying training, you're enjoying, looking leaner, feeling healthier, and, generally your gym performance is going up. Your hunger is good, your energy is good, you're not tired. Honestly, you are in a fucking great position, and you cannot be in a better position than you are right now. So literally, there's not much else to say other than keep doing what you're doing, to the point where you feel like you want to, do a lean bulk. You're probably going to stay on these macros for quite a while by the looks of things. So before I forget, there are going to be no changes in terms of macros, no changes in terms of your training, and there's going to be no changes in terms of cardio. Just keep doing what you're doing, because you are in the best position. Your hunger's low, your energy's high, you're not tired, you're getting enough sleep, you're getting enough recovery, you're getting enough protein to recover, you're getting enough carbs, energy. You're leaning, you're getting fuller, and you're getting stronger. You can't do it. You're ticking all the boxes, dude. So just keep doing what you're doing. In terms of, I know you mentioned about sort of fitting around life with training. What I would say as well is the gym is cool. Like, the gym is cool, but you got to remember to have life as well. Like, in 5 years' time, you don't want to kick yourself because you never lived, but I know you lived, and I know you live, and you're not doing like a contest prep. But like, for myself, Contest prep is contest prep. When I'm on contest prep, it's, you know, I'm on contest prep and it's serious shit. But when I'm out of it, I do live and I enjoy myself. So you got to find that balance. I think if you don't have balance in anything, then you're never going to be really successful or happy. Like, you can't. Everyone talks about being all in, like all in. No, because you can't be all in with some little mini sacrifices here and there. Like, I drink, I'm half season. I enjoy shit food. You know, if I go and see a girl, I'll go to the movies and I'll eat shit with her. You know, enjoy yourself. Yes, you're in a mini cut, so you got to make some sacrifices. But you know, if you ever said to me, like, one week, Kane, I had a beer at the weekend. You know, I weighed in heavier. You know, Kane, I had a burger. Kane, I had a McDonald's. Mate, it's life. But as long as, you know, you're not doing that on a consistent basis, then I'm happy. And considering what you've achieved already, then you should really pat yourself on the back. But yeah, I really like that format that you did. I'm really fucking happy that you're loving the routine at the minute and you've got that structure in place. So no changes. Keep doing what you're doing. Any questions, like always, in the week, let me know. Do that check-in like you did just then on Sunday for me, because that was cool. And also, don't forget progress pictures. I want to see them this weekend, so I can assess those. And we need a session. That's one thing I've just decided. We need to get a session in. Potentially come to EQ, or I'll come to the tennis club. We'll get a session in, maybe a pull session, something cool, or a leg session, take a brutal leg session. Let me know if you would want to do that. Also, kind of meet up and get posing as well. You know, teach you some bodybuilding poses, etc. But all in all, very fucking happy with your progress so far, Will. And you just keep this up. So yeah, any questions, like always, let me know. Other than that, we'll chat soon. Cheers, mate.